Are you looking for the best electric wood pellet smoker? In this video, we bring you detailed reviews of the 4 best electric wood pellet smoker, helping you easily choose the best option for your needs. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included link in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range. Number 4. Z-Grill's ZPG450A2 Wood Pellet Grill and Smoker, PID V3.0 Controller, 459 square inch cook area, foldable shelf and side shelf, meat probe, rain cover, 8-in-1 barbecue grill outdoor auto temperature control, bronze. Brand, Z-Grills. Model name, ZPG450A2. Power source, wood pellet. Color, bronze 459 square inches. Outer material, alloy steel. Fuel type, wood pellet. Manufacturer, Z-Grills. Pellet grill technology. There isn't an easier way to get wood-smoked flavors than with a pellet grill. Try it, and you'll taste the difference from a gas or carbon grill. PID V3.0 Smart Control. Features an upgraded PID controller that auto-tunes fuel and airflow, ensuring precise temperature control. Durable and portable. Sturdy steel construction with a high-temperature powder coating finish makes the pellet grill long-lasting. Lift the left side to roll smoothly on the right wheels, then lower the left legs to lock securely in place. Easier smoking. Large LCD screen with one included meat probe. Just set the temperature and let it work. No babysitting needed. Enjoy the cooking experience. Number 3. Zelos 450 Wi-Fi AI Electric Wood Pellet Smoker Grill. Smart grill with waterproof cover, 450 square inch cooking area, 7-in-1 outdoor grill and smoker, PID controller, meat probe. Brand, brisket. Model name, Zelos 450. Power source, electric. Color, black. Outer material, stainless steel. Item weight, 70.5 pounds. Fuel type, wood pellet. Manufacturer, brisket. Unit count, 1.0 count. Brisket AI Cooking Technology, your smart grilling assistant designed to make wood-fired cooking easier. Brisket AI understands natural language to help generate customized cooking guidance on demand. Simply speak or type your request and get support tailored to your meal, making it ideal for beginners and busy grillers. Smart Auto Cooking Management. Brisket AI monitors cooking progress and automatically adjusts grill settings to help maintain consistent results. Even if you miss prompts, the system works in the background to support a more hands-off pellet grilling experience. Precise temperature control. Built with an industrial-grade adaptive PID algorithm, the high-resolution digital controller delivers reliable temperature control from 180 degrees Fahrenheit to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Whether cooking low and slow or at higher heat, the system helps maintain steady performance throughout the cook. Number 2. Z-Grill's 2026 Electric Pellet Smoker and Grill. 700 square inch cooking space, PID 3.0 precision control, dual meat probes, 28-hour hopper, dual wall insulated base, 8-in-1 barbecue with cover. Brand, Z-Grills. Model name, VC700D6. Power source, AC. Color, bronze. Outer material, aluminum. Item weight, 120 pounds. Fuel type, wood pellet. Manufacturer, Z-Grills. Unit count, 1.0 count. Precision cooking with Z Ultra PID 3.0. The upgraded PID 3.0 system automatically manages pellet feed and airflow to maintain stable temperatures between 180 degrees Fahrenheit and 450 degrees Fahrenheit, giving you consistent results every cook. Superior heat retention. Dual wall insulated base locks in heat, boosting pellet efficiency and keeping your dishes hot longer, even in chilly weather. Hassle-free smoking experience. Monitor your meat with 2 built-in probes in the large SED screen. Set the temperature and let the grill handle the rest so you can enjoy stress-free cooking. Versatile 8-in-1 barbecue functionality. Smoke, sear, roast, bake, and more with this all-in-one pellet grill. A full hopper supports up to 28 hours of continuous cooking, perfect for slow smoking or fast, high-heat grilling. Generous cooking area and easy pellet access. 697 square inches of grill space fits dozens of burgers, multiple racks of ribs, or several whole chickens. The hopper cleanout system lets you quickly remove or swap pellets with a simple twist, making flavor changes effortless. Number 1. Traeger Grills Pro 22 Wood Pellet Grill and Smoker. Electric Pellet Smoker Grill Combo, 6-in-1 barbecue versatility, 572 square inch grilling capacity, meat probe, 450 degree max temperature, 18 lb hopper, bronze. Brand, Traeger. Model name, Pro Series 22 bronze. Power source, corded electric. Color, bronze. Outer material, alloy steel. Item weight, 46.49 kilograms. Fuel type, wood pellet. Manufacturer, Traeger. Unit count, 1.0 count. 6-in-1 versatility. The Traeger Pro 22 is the original wood pellet smoker and grill combo trusted by grill, smoke, bake, roast, braise, and barbecue. Enjoy authentic wood-fired flavor in every meal using this pellet grill built for all your outdoor cooking needs. Precise temperature control. Achieve consistent results with this electric smoker grill's advanced digital Pro Controller's advanced temperature control system. Grill hot and fast or low and slow from 180 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit within plus or minus 15 degrees for unbeatable barbecue and smoking performance. Stable pellet smoker grill design. Constructed with powder-coated steel and porcelain-coated grill grates for durability and easy cleanup. Features a rugged sawhorse chassis, side lift bar, and large wheels for effortless movement across outdoor grills and smoker setup. Built for outdoor barbecues and grilling, this Traeger smoker grill offers 572 square inches of cooking space, fit up to 24 burgers, 5 racks of ribs, or 4 whole chickens. From hosting a cookout or meal prepping for the week, the Traeger Pro 22 can handle it all.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.